Welcome, I'm Cynthia, and today I'm going to guide you through a 15-minute evening yoga practice to relieve stress and unwind from a long day. Grab your mat and let's get started. Seated, cross-legged, close your eyes. Bring one hand to your belly and one to your chest. And just open your heart. Feel your body. Slow your breath down. And then from here, bringing your eyes to open. Your left hand comes out to the side, hold your arm. And then ease your head over to the left. And then coming back to center and looking over your left shoulder. And then come back to center, switch arms. Tilting your head over to the right. Bring your head to center and then look over to the right. Bring your head to center. Open up your arms behind you. And lifting your chin up. Bring your head to center, looking right. And then looking left. And we'll come back to what we originally did. Bringing your left arm around in front. Tilting your head. Come back to center and then looking over your left shoulder. Come back to center and we'll switch sides. Tilting over to the right. Lift to center and gaze over your right shoulder. Back to center. And bringing your hands to your knees, we'll circle around, starting at the left. As you inhale, come forward. Exhale, round back. We'll do this 2 more times. And this is the last circle. Switch directions. Exhaling at the back. Inhaling at the front. 1 more time. And return to center. Take a deep breath here. Close your eyes. Open your heart. And feel your body. And then let's come to lying down. Bringing your arms out and letting your knees drop from side to side. Loosening up your hips, releasing your lower back. And inhale to center. Exhale to the side. Continuing for a couple of more rounds. And then come back to center, drawing your right knee in toward your torso. Hug in. Take a deep breath here, inhaling, and exhale, go a little bit deeper. And then loosen up a bit, come over to the side. So you'll just hold with one hand here. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And then one more time, taking your knee more out to the side, holding and letting your thigh just soften into your hand. Take one deep breath and then an exhale. Good, we'll bring your foot back down. Let's switch sides here. So hugging in and then softening, turning out to the side just with one hand now, easing your thigh toward the floor. Good, and then we'll come over to the side and just letting your thigh drop down into your hand. All of these great movements helping to loosen up your hips. And then bring both of your knees up. Doing circles with your knees, massaging your lower back. Again, inhales and exhales evenly with the speed of the circle that you're doing. And then switch directions. Breathing through your nose, your inhale and your exhale. And then bringing your feet down, left leg comes to straight. Your right ankle comes to just above your knee, and let your right thigh relax here. Listen to your breath. Let your full right leg soften. And sliding your right foot down. Bending your left knee, bringing your left ankle just above your knee, softening your left thigh down toward the floor. Taking a few moments here, softening the full length of your leg. And then sliding your left leg all the way down. Bending your right knee, bringing your right foot on top of your left thigh. Left hand to your thigh. And then coming into a deeper twist. Looking over your right shoulder. Softening wherever you can soften. And then engaging your abdominals. Take one more breath here. And come back to center. We'll switch sides. Left leg coming up, right hand holding your left thigh. And looking over your right shoulder. Softening wherever you can. And engaging your abdominals. And then return to center. Keeping both knees bent, allow yourself to lift your hips up. Take 2 more breaths here. And then lowering down. Bringing your arms out to T position. Bring your left hand across your body toward your right hand. And slide it all the way back. Here we're loosening up and massaging your upper back, releasing your spine, unwinding all that stress from a long day. We'll do this 2 more times. Last time. And release. Bringing your arms up to cactus as best you can. We'll work on some shoulder release. Bringing your hands down toward the floor and sweeping them back up over. Doing this with your inhale and your exhale. Breathing through your nose. We'll do this 1 more time. We'll land back in cactus, lengthening your arms, lengthening your legs, easing your torso over to the right. And then your legs also come over to the right, stretching the entire left side of your body. And then maybe making a couple of micro movements with your torso toward the right. The same with your legs. Engage your abdominals. And then we'll come back to center. And let's switch sides. Coming over to the left, and your legs coming over to the left, and experiencing that length through the entire right side of your body from your right foot all the way up to your fingertips. And then adjusting your torso a little bit more to the left, your legs a little bit more to the left. Take a couple more breaths here. And then easing your torso back to center, your legs back to center, bringing your hands to your thighs, hugging in. Nice release here, wiggling your toes backward and forwards, your feet. Loosening up, doing some circles here to the right and to the left. And then coming back to bringing your feet to the floor, arms to the side, easing your knees again, noticing how you might feel a little bit more loose, relaxed, and released here. Take 1 more sway over to the right, and then to the left. Come back to center. Right foot comes up to just below your knee, pressing your right hand into your thigh, creating space at your hip. Inhale deeply. And exhale, and lifting your left thigh up, hug in, engage your abdominals, and then softly release. Let's come to the other side. Left foot comes into position, press your left hand into your thigh. Deep inhale and deep exhale, going to press a little bit more and release. Hug in, engage your abdominals, and come to lying down. Let your feet come to a nice hip width or a little bit wider. We'll just touch our toes and release our feet out to the side, letting your entire leg length release and get this subtle movement from your hips to your toes. And then we'll soften our legs. Let's do the same with our arms, bringing them out to a little bit away from your body, letting your hands come down to the floor and then your palms come up toward the ceiling, rolling a few times. And landing here in Shavasana. Taking as long as you wish here in Shavasana. Closing your eyes, and we'll take a few deep breaths. Allowing your body to stay in this beautiful, relaxed state. Lifting your left arm up over your head, bending your knees, ease over to the left and returning to sitting. Cross-legged. Thanks so much for your practice. And drop a comment and let me know how you enjoyed the practice. If you want to continue, there are a couple of videos here that you can choose from. Thanks so much. Namaste.